In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with MailChimp. This process will take just about 5 minutes, and by the end of our session, you'll be ready to integrate these two powerful platforms seamlessly, streamlining your marketing strategies and optimizing your workflows. Let's dive in. To begin, the first step is to log into your HubSpot account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up. But assuming you do, grab your login credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options and features at your fingertips. But for now, we'll direct our focus to connecting with MailChimp. Our next move is to navigate to the HubSpot app marketplace. You might be familiar with similar app stores where you download and install new software. The HubSpot app marketplace functions in much the same way, acting as a hub for countless applications that can integrate with your HubSpot account to extend its capabilities. The next step involves searching for MailChimp in the app marketplace. Simply type MailChimp in the search bar, and you'll quickly see the app you need. Once you locate MailChimp in the list of results, go ahead and select it. Selecting the app will provide you with more detailed information, including what the app can do and why integrating it with HubSpot may benefit you and your marketing efforts. With MailChimp selected, the obvious next step is to install the app. Look for the Install App button, usually prominently displayed, and click on it. HubSpot will handle the installation process for you, making it straightforward and relatively trouble-free. As you proceed with the installation, be prepared to log into your MailChimp account. If you don't already have one, this would be the perfect time to create a MailChimp account. It's a fairly simple and user-friendly process, offering you the tools you need to manage your email marketing campaigns, audience engagement, and data-driven strategies. Once logged in, you'll want to ensure that HubSpot and MailChimp can communicate effectively, which requires granting certain permissions. When prompted, select Allow to enable this communication between your HubSpot and MailChimp accounts. This step is crucial for ensuring that data can flow seamlessly between the two platforms, enabling you to fully leverage their combined functionalities. And there you have it. In just a few steps and a handful of minutes, you've successfully connected HubSpot with MailChimp. This integration will enhance the synchronization of your customer data, manage your leads more efficiently, and empower your email campaigns with reliable insights. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check back for more insightful guides on optimizing your marketing strategies.